Colin here with Max Tie Downs to bring you our ALM segment of the Max 360 project here. We had conceptualized the idea of being able to roll a car over like a pig on a spit for a couple of years actually. I had done all sorts of internet research and I kept kind of dancing around the real answer. We were thrilled to find these guys from ALM Positioners in Rock Island, Illinois. They had as much of a turnkey solution that we could ask for. So we purchased from them the headstock and tailstock. This is designed as a welding positioner for industry. So imagine if you were fabricating tanks or trailer chassis, whatever the job, the use of this welding positioner allows you to simply rotate your work to experience the best lighting, ventilation, ergonomics, and all the rest. It proved to be the perfect answer for what we were trying to accomplish, and that is build a platform to tie a car down and prove what real quality tie down gear can do. So we'll go ahead and put this thing into motion and show you just how cool it really is. We can stop it anywhere, we can reverse the direction, and it's a real crowd pleaser at King of the Hammers and more. We get asked all the time, why did you do that? Well, I think the answer is why not? Because we could, and nothing really better explains good quality tie down than being able to do something like this with our own gear. Nothing special here. We're showing off a UTV tire net pack and a UTV combo strap in the middle there. But again, big shout out to the folks in Rock Island, Illinois at ALM Positioners. Let your imagination run wild with what you can do with one of these.